At some point, people will leave your site, and you can look at where they are leaving your site from in the Exit Pages report. So in Behavior, go to Site Content and then Exit Pages. So if we look over here for this blog site that has the book reviews, we can see that for the home page, there's quite a few exits from there. So, again, you have to dig into the data, but it could be that they looked at the page, the home page, and they left right away, or they went to a couple page visits and then left from there. You can see here a few people left after reviewing the review policy, so they may have found the information they need and left the site. You look here for lines 5 and 6. These are posts about specific books. Few people left from there. So what you want to note here in the Exit Pages report is, again, you want to remember the thing that I said from the very start is people have to exit from somewhere. So at some point they will need to leave your site. The pages where you have something where you have a blog post, that's not going to be uncommon for people to leave from that page because they come, they read the post, and they leave right away. Obviously, you'd probably like them to engage in more content, but that's not uncommon. The time where it is an issue is if they exited on a page where you were expecting them to take some kind of action. So if you had a funnel on your site where you expected someone to go to page 1 and then page 2 and then page 3 as part of the conversion process, and you looked over here and you saw that a lot of people were leaving from the pages that you called page 1 or page 2, and they're not making it to page 3, that indicates there could be a problem. Like maybe your path to conversion isn't clear, the user doesn't understand what to do next, or maybe the path to conversion isn't appealing. In those cases where you're asking for too much information or too much of a commitment that people are uncomfortable with, that they're not ready to make that purchase, or they don't like how much information is being asked about the landing form. The landing page or whatever form you might have on there. So again, these exit pages, they will exit from somewhere. It's not uncommon for them to exit from a blog post page. The pages to watch for here is if they are exiting somewhere in the conversion process that they are not making all the way to the end is where you need to pay attention.